Protein is an important building block of the muscles. It is recommended that you take 1 gram of protein per pound of your body weight every day if you want to gain muscle mass. That, however, is a lot of protein. Many people can get that enough protein in their normal meals. Hence, protein supplementation may be required. Without adequate protein consumption, the efforts in exercising in gyms for lean muscles will be wasted. Syntrax Nectar Protein is the supplement that provides bodybuilders, athletes, and dieters with the extra quantities of protein that they need. It is the perfect product for those who wish to keep lean muscle mass and for those who are on a fat loss diet plan. What makes Syntrax Nectar Protein different is that the protein source they use is unique. Syntrax Nectar Protein is made from high-quality whey protein isolate called Promina. Promina is one of the fastest and easily digestible proteins available. It is quickly absorbed and instantly taken in by the muscle tissue for repair and growth. The Syntrax Nectar Protein also contains more bioavailable amino acids than cheaper whey isolates on the market. This makes Syntrax Nectar Protein even faster in muscle tissue repair. Whey protein powders and many other supplements available in the market are not always particular on taste. In order for the supplement to be taste pleasant, these available supplements usually require being mixed with something like milk, yogurt, or ice cream. Syntrax Nectar Protein has always been great with taste. Syntrax Nectar Protein has been specially formulated to give the consumers the best palatable taste in all of their products. Syntrax Nectar Protein is great for women too. With its low-calorie profile, women concerned with their calorie intake can enjoy this protein supplement. At just 90 calories per serving, Syntrax Nectar Protein has to be the lowest calorie protein supplement available on the market. It is ideal for women on a low-calorie and fat loss diet plan. Syntrax Nectar Protein may seem a little bit pricey, but when you consider the benefits you get, it won't be that big of a deal. Syntrax Nectar Protein supplements contain no sugar, but are available in a number of different fruit-flavored varieties, including apple, lemon, grapefruit, strawberry, kiwi, and cherry. Syntrax Nectar offers fruit juice flavors in crazy names like Apple Ecstasy, Caribbean Cooler, Crystal Sky, Fuzzy Neville, Lemon Tea, Pink Grapefruit, Roadside Lemonade, Strawberry Kiwi, and Twisted Cherry. Furthermore, Syntrax Nectar notes that this supplement is lactose-free and gluten-free. Syntrax Nectar Protein has great blending ability. It can be mixed instantly with water and fruit juice. And if it suits you, you can even include it onto other foods such as yogurt, oatmeal, or even cottage cheese. Syntrax Nectar Protein Powder does not need any blenders. A simple shaker cup is enough. Unlike most protein powder, Syntrax Nectar Protein does not leave clumps when not properly mixed with a blender. Although the powder supplement may appear to be foamy after shaken with water, it is nothing compared to the valuable nutrients it offers. In summary, Syntrax Nectar Protein is great protein powder for bodybuilders, athletes, and even women and men who are on a diet. But one should always remember that consuming protein supplements does not work alone. Mixing it with the right workout and exercise will definitely get you to your goal.